Hi fellow viewers to everybody, good afternoon. My name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my video is about the situation of the one who will run for party list. He will fight for the wages for the workers across the Philippines. I'm referring to Eli San Fernando. Okay, the purpose of this video is actually I'm not the only one who will condemn the situation of his libel cases. Actually, when I saw the videos that he presented in TikTok and YouTube, my point is that I am supporting him, that whatever happens, hindi siya nag-iisa. Yes, hindi siya nag-iisa kasi he has a right to fight sa mga corrupt people. So my point is that itong si Eli San Fernando, marami siyang na found out na anomalous. So para sa akin, Eli, huwag ka matakot. Tuloy ang laban. Kung anong batikos, huwag ka matakot. Hindi mo yan dapat ikakuan. You should be proud. So ang point ko dito sa video na ito, you should be proud na yung broadcast mo sa video ng mga criticisms, huwag ka matakot. That's natural. That's normal. You have a right to say something. Remember, in Philippines, we have a freedom of expression. You have a right to say something. So that's it. So I hope that this video will reach out to you, because my title is that supposed to be, it should be I myself, pero nung malaman ko na marami pala nanonood ng videos, so my title will be We Condemn the Case of Eli San Fernando. Thank you for listening in this video. Good afternoon. Thank you and God bless.